Hi everyone, today continuing with the program. Now let's try to make it shorter. So the idea is to make this code shorter in the main. Let's try to keep our main program the shortest we want. So let's add uh, more functions. So for example, we can put this one in one function. So we can avoid this. So let's do it. Let's create the static void and let's put add for number and now because we want to return a value with the here we need to put it as an int because our values are int and now we need let's copy this one here. Please write a number and we need something here. Let's not put num, let's put a num user and let's return num user. So this one we can call it twice. So we put num1 equal to as for number and we can delete this one and we can put this one also here. That's it. We have reduced the code of the main. Now the main looks easier to read. We have n1 and num1, num2. We ask for the number. So let's try it. Okay, write a number. And write another number. So it is working now. Another stuff maybe that we can try is to print something. Whatever we give it, it will print. So let's try static. Let's say print test. Let's see. This is a void. So let's make it a function without any input for now. So we want to print what we want to print. So let's put here print test. So we want to print something and we want to print what we want. So let's say that we have a string variable test and then as you can see we get an error. This means our function is asking for a test for a string. So what we want to print? We want to print the result is and we need to print also the number. So let's give it a number. Our number is result. So we need to give here another input int value and that's okay. Then we come here, we can take this from here, we can put it here. Now we have test value. So we are giving the input string input and int value. Maybe we want another print but only test. We can put then a different name here to differentiate print test and num. Let's copy this one here and let's copy this one also and let's put this one only test. We want to print test. We only give it input in string, and we take this from here, and now let's put print test. So this is just for you to practice how to create functions. So instead of using console writing line, we are using functions to give it a simple way to read the code. So we ask for number, we make a sum, we print final, but this final print final is the operation is finished. Okay, that's okay. This, then we ask for this, and then okay, let's keep it this one here. We can put it in another function. Maybe we can create continue. Continue. Let's put easy name. And we can take all this here. We can. Okay, because we have this in a while, we don't need a break here. And the break will be okay, we want to break the function. Let's think. And close. Okay, let's put here and let's practice something with volume. Then this won't be this but ball. This means true or false, and this one will return true. And now we can use here if continue break. So now let's see, this is working. We need to return true. Here return false. So now let's try this is working. Let's see how it works. Okay. Operation 16, press 0 to finish, press 1 to continue. Let's try 1. Write one number, 12. Now let's press 0. Okay, it's working. So as you can see, our main code have become simple. Okay, this one we can replace also. Print test. Let's use print test. And let's give it the input of this one. So what you can see is more readable. We have 3 variables, all of them integer. Then we have num1, num2 result. Then we print the test. Then we have finite infinite loop. We ask for a number. We make a sum, and we print a final. This final is just the operation to tell that the operation have finished. We print the test and number. Then we ask if we want to continue or not. So you see how much we reduce the main program and is more readable, and we have created more functions. We create function with static boolean. We create a function, only a function, a void. We have two voids, and we have a for number. We have some. So this is all for today. You like it, you have a comment, you have a question, or you want me to explain a little more about something else, or something that you want to understand in details, I can do it. Please give your comment, give it a like, subscribe, and share it.